Hi, I'm Maria, brand ambassador for Resideo. The Honeywell Home DT4 is a modern heating control ideal to keep on the van. Let's take a look at the key features. It's designed to look great. Its slim modern design blends into the decor of the home. It's even scooped a Red Dot Design Award in 2024. Available in 3 colours, white, black and grey. It gives customers the option to pick a control that suits their style. It works with a range of boilers and heat pumps and is available in wired and wireless options. It can be used for time proportional or modulating appliance control. The wireless and OpenTherm versions work seamlessly with the Honeywell Home Evo Home Smart Zoning Thermostat and the HTC 100 underfloor multi-zone controller. It's easy to install with the QR code supported videos in the box. Plus, there are video guides available on our Pro Solutions Europe YouTube channel and via the Resideo Academy. It also comes with a 5-year warranty as standard. It's easy to use, which is a real selling point for the customer. The digital display gives a clear view of the set temperature and simple buttons allow this to be increased and decreased. A visual symbol shows if the heating is on. Eco and boost functions help maintain comfort. Users can alter the temperature for a set period to either boost the heating during cold spells or drop it for a few hours. For full details and technical specifications on the range, head to resideo.com.